Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture, have it simply open and visible on your screen. So for this I'll be using home screen as an example, and it is open and visible for me. And once those requirements are met, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up right here with a scrolling screenshot option and also share, and it will disappear after a moment on its own. And once it disappears, you can locate it in your Photos application, and you can see it right over here. So there we go. Now additionally, if you're struggling with finding your screenshots, there is a chance it will create a categories under these three bars. So there might be something like albums, but even if it does not create such a thing, you can always just find any kind of place where it says screenshot like this, tap on a text, and this will show you all the screenshots in general. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.